Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I've been trying to help somebody on and off for like a week, and they've contacted Corel, and they kept calling I think the paint bucket, and they ended up, they were referring to the Smart Fill tool. And I took mine away. He says he has no fill tools on the left side. And I think he's kind of covered this, but I'm just going to, just in case. When you have your items right here, there's a plus key. All these are checked. And this is a good way to get rid of stuff you don't ever use. Like if you're never going to use the live sketch or the smart drawing or some other tools, like I can't, like this. I never have used the connector tools, and it's going to save room if you take them away. And if you can see that, took it away. So the top item is the box. Like this is the parallel dimension tool box, but it's got parallel dimension tools, horizontal, vertical, segment, three-legged call out. I am thinking maybe he has this unchecked. And if you check that back and just check off this, then you have your smart fill tool, you have your interactive fill tool, and you have your mesh fill. And then once you do get that back, I'm hoping that was the problem, then always go to Windows, save as default. But don't do that unless everything on your page is correct. Like I like mine at my nudge at 0.00. I like my duplicate distance at 0. I draw in a red hairline. So I could go and I can go to tools or tools and save as default and have all these checked, and then they're saved. Every time you open up a new page, that smart fill tool is going to be there. I'm not 100% sure this is what's going on, but I thought I'd give it a shot in the dark and see what happens. Anyway, I'm hoping that's what his problem is, and thank you for watching.